everybody, it's Kids Craft Video again. Today we're going to be decorating a pumpkin by melting crayons on it with a hairdryer. We're going to show you how to do that. And then we're going to be making some ornaments. We just went to the dollar store and picked out a bunch of tiny things we thought we could put inside of these glass clear ornaments. And we're also going to be doing a couple other things to decorate those. So stay tuned and we'll show you how to do that.
First, we took the paper off with the crayons. It took a while because the paper stuck on it really good. Then we use hot glue to stick the crayons where we want them to stay. The glue gun gets hot, so you may want help from a grown-up in this part. The hot glue will hold the crayons onto the pumpkin when we blow dry them. You can pick any colors you want. I wanted to do a rainbow. Now we can start to melt the crayons with the hairdryer. This part takes a while, so me and my dad had to take turns. Make sure you have paper down, so when the crayons start to melt, it won't make a mess. Watching the crayons drip is my favorite part. I really enjoyed making this pumpkin. I hope you have a lot of fun making yours too.